This is my girlfriend's 1987 Toyota pickup, 4x4. It's been frame swapped onto an 88 4x frame. Needs a ton of work, nothing we can't handle. The front brakes needs new calipers, pads. I'm gonna turn the rotors, put all new studs in it. I just finished doing outer wheel bearings, new wheel cylinders, new shoes, new wheel studs in it, new inner and outer axle seals, put new brake lines in it. I got a new soft line from the frame to the axle. I got a new e-brake cable to go in. I ordered new e-brake levers. I have machined drums, both sides. I have to still weld body mounts. I just gotta finish bolting in rear axles. The box still needs to be bolted down. We picked up this thing, didn't see it running. It was in the middle of a frame swap. Nothing was hooked up. Had to redo the brake lines. Engine needs to be bolted in. I have new calipers and pads to the front. I'm hoping to get it done soon. Yesterday I spent all day doing the rear bearings. It was a good day. Got home last night, didn't bolt them in yet. Hopefully get this thing back on its feet. Has to go in. Windshield needs resealed. It's not wasting more time. Let's get to it. I'm gonna go ahead and rip out the old e-brake cable. I still need to purchase shocks. I gotta remove this for the old portioning valve. It was rotted out. I bypassed it. I'm gonna take the e-brake out and install a new cable. Just like that, it's out. Now, time to install the new one. So the reason why I'm replacing it is because one of the lines has snapped, but it's one whole assembly. Wasn't that much. Got it online. So the bracket on here, I need for the new cable. Let's go over to the vise and get this out. So this vise is awesome. It's one of the biggest vices we have in the shop right now, but I use this vise for everything. Spray it down, I'll let it soak. I feel like the bolt's gonna break. Well, that didn't go the way I wanted it to. And this is the piece that I need. Alright, you guys. A buddy of mine messaged me. He's got some problems putting a trans back in, so I'm gonna go out there and give him a hand and get his car back together for him. So we're gonna grab the jack, stands, creeper. We're taking Bro's truck today, as mine's not on the road. I get this stuff loaded and head out. Alright, so I showed up, we got the trans back in, and the 2-man task, slid right in, not too hard, but a cheap little beater that he got, get it back together. He's gonna get it on the road and maybe flog it off, so let's head back to the house and continue work on this Toyota. Get myself some food.
Hi there, what can I get for you?
Can I get 2 cheeseburgers with no pickles?
Okay.
And 2 crispy chicken snack wraps.
Anything else for you?
No, that's everything. Thank you. It's my sister behind us. So I'm gonna finish off tightening these bolts back here. I'm gonna put these brake lines back on. I'm gonna just finish up doing this, and then I'm gonna move to the front and pull the front hubs off. So the rear drums still need to be adjusted. I'm gonna do that later on. Now I gotta torque these up to 51 foot-pounds. I did a little research. I've got to undo this nut. There's another nut behind it. It's got to come out. This whole assembly should just slide right off.
Let's get at it.
I have to remove the rotors off of the hub. So I'm gonna grab my tools, move to the other side. Alright you guys, I'm borrowing Bro's camera. I'm going to weld these body mounts on. Let's fire up the welder and get these welded on. That's one side done. Let's move on to the other side. Both mounts are welded. I'm not a professional. And there you have it. That's all I'm going to do today. I'm going to go inside, lay on the couch. Make sure you click the like button, comment, subscribe. More videos coming out. And thanks for watching. MacDonald Auto.
Oh boy.